As an organization who has just completed a merger or acquisition, you will know that having professional support throughout this process has helped you make the correct decisions at the right time. But now you have completed your deal, the first 100 days are a crucial part of the process. So what happens now? Following the deal, you may have acquired one or more new entities and now need support to help you structure the business for tax purposes, streamline business operations, all whilst ensuring your compliance deadlines are met.
Welcome to the After the Deal team. We can help you through this process by offering outsourcing and tax services. We are here to assist you with the issues that will arise post-completion, and our team of experts and specialists will be on hand from day one to assist. If you think you may need our support, then get in touch today to find out more about how we can help you after the deal.